Today, I'm bringing you some delicious papitas sonrientes, also known as potato smiles. We're gonna prepare them step by step. They're fun, tasty, and you're gonna love them. So don't go anywhere because this is about to get really good. Here we have our potatoes, of course, about 750 grams, which is roughly 3 cups of mashed potatoes. I recommend mashing them while they're still warm because it makes them much easier to work with. Just look at this beautiful texture, perfectly smooth and lump-free. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, don't worry, you can use all-purpose flour instead. We're also adding 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and 1 egg. To get that beautiful commercial-style yellow color, I'm using a little bit of turmeric. Just a tiny bit to taste. You could also use food coloring if you prefer. And of course, seasoning is entirely up to you. Salt, pepper, oregano, whatever you like. We'll start by using a fork to get everything well combined, and then we'll taste it to adjust the salt. If it needs a bit more, just add it in. But honestly, between us, the best way to do this is with your hands. Make sure they're clean, of course, because it helps the dough come together much better. Look at that, the texture is perfect. If you want, you can also add a little grated cheese at this stage, but today we're keeping it simple and hassle-free. This recipe is ideal for breakfast, for the kids, or just a fun afternoon snack. In 2 or 3 minutes, the dough is ready. Now, let's shape our faces. Place the dough on parchment paper, flatten it out a bit, and then put another sheet of paper on top to roll it out with a rolling pin. If you're not sure about getting it even, you can use a flat board to press down. A thickness of about ½ centimeter is perfect. I'm using a cookie cutter, but if you don't have one, a regular glass works just fine. Remove the excess dough and keep forming more faces. Don't worry, nothing goes to waste. Now comes the best part, the eyes and the mouth. I have some piping tips here, but you can also use a straw or whatever you have on hand. Give them a little mouth, then the smaller eyes, and look how cute they are. Big smiles. You can play around here, make them look surprised, happy, or even sad. It almost feels like they don't want to be eaten. Continue until you've used all the dough. Once they're shaped, pop them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes if they feel too soft. This helps them firm up so they're easier to fry. Add enough oil. You don't need too much since the faces are thin. Let it heat up, and then straight from the fridge into the pan. Look how great they look, nice and firm. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remember, the potatoes are already cooked. We're just looking for that golden color. I keep them on medium heat, and for me, these are perfect. Remove them and place them on a paper towel. Just look at how gorgeous these turned out. Aren't they adorable? They look so funny. Check out this surprised one, and this one is perfectly golden. Wow, it's delicious! Super soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a like, share it, and let me know in the comments which face was your favorite. See you in the next video.